in this chapter, in this lecture, we are going to start the topic which is a grammar topic, which is one of a part of speech, that is adjectives. We all know adjective means a word which describes the noun or pronoun, means the noun or pronoun के बारे में it gives us more information. Like we will take an example. I am having a blue pen. Means here it is telling us the quality of a noun. It tells us the quality or quantity of a noun. Quality means हमारी पेन कैसी है? It is blue. So blue here becomes an adjective. Raj is a tall boy. राज के बारे में यहाँ पे और हमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है? That Raj is a tall boy. So here Raj becomes an adjective. I am having two markers. मेरे पास markers है. I am having two markers. Means here two also becomes an adjective. It means it tells us the marker. It gives us more information about the markers which I am having. Right? Two markers. So two here means it describes the quantity of a noun. So adjectives are the words which describes quantity of a noun. Quality means it can tell us anything about the noun. Opinion also. So let's see some examples of the things. Like this sum is very easy. Now here you can see easy here is an adjective. Sum के बारे में हमें क्या बताया गया है? That how the sum is very easy. So easy here is an adjective. And what type of adjective it is? It is an opinion. Because according to me it is easy. मेरे according ये easy है, but हो सकता है किसी और के लिए ये hard हो. So it becomes an opinion, adjective of opinion. It is a long table. Here this is the quality of a table. It is the general quality. Long table means मेरे according भी ये long है, आपके according भी ये long ही होगा. We can't change this fact. So it is an adjective of fact. I am having a blue pen. ये पेन कैसी है? Blue. तो ये this is a fact. यहाँ पे मैं ये अपनी opinion नहीं दे रही हूँ. If I will say this is a nice pen, so nice here will become an opinion. But when I say the fact that this is a blue pen, so means here I am telling the fact about my pen. So understood the difference between fact and opinion. I have prepared for my weekly test. Weekly here weekly test कौन सी टेस्ट के बारे में बात चल रही है? The weekly test. So here becomes weekly an adjective of frequency. Frequency. I am having two pens, as I have told you before also. So two here becomes an adjective of quantity. So these are the some things which adjective tells us. Now, it is also adjective can also be written before, means you can see here adjective always describes the noun. वो noun को ही describe करता है. Noun or pronoun. Pronoun means the words which we use instead of noun, right? So it describes noun and pronoun. So it can be written before the noun and it can be written after the noun. Okay, so that doesn't matter. But if the words are written this sum is easy. Here you can see sum के बारे में यहाँ इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई दैट दिस इज वेरी इजी. Here also you can see the information which is given about the sum, that is easy. Means यहाँ पे दोनों sentences में sum के बारे में क्या बताया जा रहा है, that sum is very easy. But the difference is here it is written after the noun. यहाँ पे वो कहाँ लिखा गया, it is written after the noun and here it is written before the noun. So words, adjectives which are written after the noun, they are called predicative. Predicative adjective, and the adjectives which are written after the noun are called attributive adjective. Attributive adjectives. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Means here you have to see, means to identify whether it is predicative or attributive, you have to see what is the position of an adjective. If it is written after the noun, means जिस noun को वो describe कर रहा है, अगर वो उसके बाद में लिखा हुआ है, if it is written afterward then it is predicative, and if it is written before then it is attributive adjective. Now let's see the forms of adjective. We will see various forms of adjective. What are various forms? This we are learning from the lower grades only, but let's just revise this. Let's see the various forms of adjective. Adjective can be positive, it can be comparative, and the last one, it can be superlative adjectives. Now how we are using, हम कहाँ कौन सी डिग्री यूज करेंगे? These are called degrees of adjectives, or we can say forms of adjectives. Forms of adjectives. So where we will use now positive degree. How it is used? It is used to describe. Means वो सिर्फ noun को describe कर रहा है. It is used to describe the noun. Let's see it in an example. Raj is a tall boy. Here, what information about the Raj is given over here? Raj is a tall boy. Means it is just told a simple fact about the Raj. It is just described Raj, that Raj is a tall boy. So we use here a positive degree. When it comes to the comparative degree, we compare between two things. Here for using comparative degree, means हम कहाँ comparative degree use करेंगे? We use comparative degree when we are comparing two things or two persons or two places. Let's see. Raj is taller than Ram. Okay, so here you can see I have used the comparative degree when I am comparing between Raj and Ram. So when two persons or two places or two things are compared, so here we have to use comparative degree. And how we have changed it? Means the base form we use in positive degree, we add ER at the end of the comparative at the end of this, so and we will make it a comparative degree. Let's see how superlative degrees are used. In superlative degree, there is also comparison. Superlative degree में भी comparison है, but superlative degree is compared between more than two things. यहाँ पे comparison किसमें होता है? दो से ज्यादा चीजों में होता है. जैसे it is compared between more than two things. Like Raj is tallest in the class. यहाँ Raj की height is being compared. Here Raj height is being compared to the height of all the students in the class. Means we are comparing Raj heights with all the students. यहाँ पे comparison दो से ज़्यादा के लोगों के बीच में हो रहा है. So we have used here the superlative degree, or we can say the degree which we are using, it is called superlative degree, and we have to add est at the end of the base word. Okay, so in positive degree we only just describe the noun. In comparative degree we compare between two things, and in superlative degree we compare between more than two things. Now let's see how various words are changed. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी यहाँ बताया that tall will become taller by adding er at the end of the sentence and est at the end of the sentence. It will become superlative degree. So let's see some more example of the words which how we can change it from comparative to superlative or positive to comparative and superlative. So we will see some more examples.
Let's see how some of the words change from positive to comparative. You can see on the screen. Bright, it will become brighter when it is in comparative. Means we are adding er to its comparative degree and est in the superlative degree, that is brightest. So means to change from positive to comparative we have to add er, and to change from positive to superlative we have to add est to the base word. Let's see some more other types of words. Like some other types of words are like fine. It will become finer. Means we don't have to add another e to the word. Finest means only st we have to add in the superlative degree. Wise, wiser means by adding r it will become comparative degree, and by adding st it will become superlative degree. Let's see some irregular words. Irregular adjectives like good, they change completely when they become comparative and superlative. Like good become better, better becomes best, bad worse, and worse. Means they change the spelling of the word completely. So we have to remember these types of adjectives, how we have to change them.